The numerator is the what of the slope? Is it the rise or fall or the run?
Rise over run.
Rise or fall over run, right? Why do I say or fall?
Because it goes down, run.
Yeah, how would I know if my run or my rise or fall is going in the downward direction? What symbol will be in front of the slope?
X. No, Y.
A negative.
A negative.
A negative. Okay, so what we're doing here is they gave us a point, and we're going to use the slope to make another point, and then we would connect those to make a line. Okay? So number one is actually kind of tricky, but I'm glad because it forces you to do something a little bit different. So if I was going to do 2/5, I would go up 2 and over 5. Can I go over 5 on this graph? No, so I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to go down 2 and back 5. And then I will connect those points. So if you can't do what it's asking, just do the opposite. And then when I connect those, you can see that the slope between them would be up 2 over 5. Yes.
How did you know where to put that second point?
So I used this slope as like my GPS. So I was supposed to go up 2 over 5, but because I can't go up and over, I went down and back instead. I just did the opposite. Okay, so then for number 2, my slope is -4/7. So that tells me I'm going to go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and forward 7, my run. I've got those 2 points. I connect them, and I've created a line.
I didn't realize that first point was already on there.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
No, that's okay.
That was the second point.
Yep. I just made the first point bigger so you guys could see it easier. Okay, I need you to pause for a second and turn the paper over. We also, before break, found slope from tables. So we're going to do a couple of these together, and then I'm going to let you guys just work on this, and we'll compare answers at the end. I'll leave you alone. Okay? So if I start here, I'm trying to get to the finish where it says, good job, the end. You guys see that? Okay. So remember, slope is the change in our y values over the change in x values. And I'm only going to make you write that once, just so you have it here. Change in y over change in x. So what's happening with the y values? Plus 3. And what's happening with my x values? Plus 1. So what will my slope be? Yep, it's just going to be +3. So then I would fill this in. Okay, you guys are just going to work on this for the next few minutes, and then we will discuss the answers once you've had time. If you have a question, you have an elbow buddy you can ask. You can raise your hand. Yeah?